Ebi n'ebindi byagambwe eriizooba Mrs. Nachobe Muhakanizi na Permanent Secretary owa Ministry of Local Government baba bali omu rukiiko rw'okuhendera omwaka orw'aba Town Clerks boona ab'ihanga abari ahansi y'ekibiina kya Town Clerks Association of Uganda orwakorerwa Bushenyi District. Orukiiko nirwija kumara ebiro bibiri kandi bashabirwa okuyonja endembo zaabo.
We are going to demand that all towns are clean, all buildings are clean, all buildings are painted. Those who cannot pay, close them. What we don't see from closing certificates? You have the power.
Minister wa Local Government Honorable Raphael Magezi yashaba ba Town Clerk okuma obusinge omu matawuni gaabo kandi yayongera yarabura bari kushoma nkure za PDM.
Some of our focal point officers, some of the PDM executive committees, chairman, treasurer, secretary, are demanding from money from the PDM beneficiaries. I want to thank you all of this for the effort you have made in your share. Those who have done that here, we have no room. They have been arrested here in jail.
Bamumba itabo mushomogu haine bashaba government okubakorra ngukandi bende mirimo yabo tambureje batine kurabanisibwamo.
Every bintu ziri Kigali just last month wareba town ya Kigali n'izindi town mu Rwanda kuziri Kilimi noshanga neji method y'abakozi chatsemeza munonga nkite ba Town Clerks minister kutugira cabinet hingwize urwa mukaka norunaku okubweneza ninga kuri ubuyonzo mu town zone za Uganda
itute no kugira ngo abantu becyange cyane bende urubuwe then iwe Town Clerks sure y'injiniya akavuga ngo urubuto rubuja korwa ruti asente zo kwinganisa so watu wareba mweje mu bitekashe konke kikoreta conflict imirunde nyingi n'umuntu ukwenda ngo arenga ubushoborozo bwo muhira.
Ihanga lyona lyine ba Town Clerk rushanjwana na mwenda kandi cyashangwa ngo Jinja City na Kira municipality nizo singiro yo mukoraje okurabira mu kurundana sente zo muhwe wo mushoro. Amakuru agagasha kwa Onesimus ndiyanabo.